Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Riani Sapitri, but you can call me Nisa. I'm from class BC 91. Here I will discuss about pemaparan materi tentang karya tulis ilmiah. Definition of scientific paper. Scientific paper is a combination of 3 syllables. According to the Big Indonesian Dictionary, word can be interpreted as the result of an effort, deed, or creation, while writing or writing means all activities related to letters, numbers, pens, or other writing media. The third is scientific. According to the Big Indonesian Dictionary, it means that it is scientific or fulfills the requirements or rules of science. Well, if interpreted as a whole, scientific writing is a work that results from writing activities using the application of scientific rules, producing aspects of rationally bringing up objective and factual problems. The function of scientific papers: Number 1 for education, 2 for research, and 3 functional. For education, function for education. When the author was in high school, the author had participated in extracurricular activities, yield scientific work. From here, the author learned a lot about the basics of writing. Invited the author to think critically, write down thoughts or the results of scientific experiments, then account for the results. For research, function for research. At each time, science is growing in accordance with the social growth of society. From here, scientific writing is used to develop one's research by presenting new knowledge after obtaining accurate data. It is process conclude then apply in life. The last is functional. Functional function. Scientific papers are written by authors from various disciplines. The explanation of the meaning of functional function means that scientific writings can be a medium for developing knowledge as a literature review material for the needs of various disciplines. The benefit of scientific papers can train the development of effective reading skills as an introduction to library activities, get intellectual satisfaction, broaden the horizons of knowledge as reference material or research, as an improvement in the systematic organization of facts and data, can train to combine readings from various sources, can train the development of effective reading skills. For writers, compiling a scientific paper requires a certain skill, so that this scientific paper can be read comfortable, understood by the reader, so that writers need effective reading skills, so as not to waste energy in compiling scientific papers. For the readers, scientific writings train the readers to be skilled at reading about things that are needed to build their knowledge, not expanding to topics or themes that are not needed. As an introduction to library activities, a scientific paper full of source and source. Source for the preparation of scientific papers obtained from the theories of experts who are recorded or contained in scientific journals that can be accessed via the internet. These sources are referred to as library research. Get intellectual satisfaction. Every reader of scientific writing. Making scientific writing is not just writing. The process of making scientific writings involves the reader's intellect. All of the author's intellectual intellectual abilities are involved here. Scientific papers are prepared based on research, experiments, interviews with research persons, as well as collection theories from library sources obtained. When you get the results that you feel are sufficient, you manage to present them in front of examiners or the audience. The reader will feel satisfied when his scientific writings are accepted by many people. Broaden the horizons of knowledge. The higher the quality a scientific paper, seen from the content, purpose, and originality. This is a reflection of the breadth of the author's scientific horizons. A scientific paper also represents the structure as an improvement in the systematic organization of facts and data. From the origin of the word itself, scientific writing implies a work of scientific nature, accompanied by research and experiments, presenting real data, then processing it into a conclusion with a clear and accountable systematic. The facts reported come from clear sources with valid research data and are not the result of plagiarism. Can train to combine readings from various sources. A research cannot stand alone when conducting research. To compile a scientific paper as a report, researchers who conduct research need library research as a theoretical basis when conducting research. The theoretical basis comes from various sources, especially scientific journals or books published to support the writing of scientific papers. The types of scientific paper: articles, papers, theses, work papers, paper, thesis, and dissertation. Article. As an article is a writing work whose contents are ideas or facts that can persuade, convince, educate, and entertain the reader. Usually, the article has a sentence length with a certain number of characters. Papers. Papers are a type of scientific writing. Usually, papers are writing for purpose related to education. In its preparation, supporting data is needed from the result of field observation of a problem in research. The data collected is needed to find a solution to the problem in the research. Usually, this paper is delivered in a seminar, symposium, or material test. Thesis. According to Wikipedia, thesis is a term used in Indonesia to illustrate a scientific paper in the form of an explanation of the results of research by undergraduate students, which discuss certain phenomena or problems using applicable rules. The emphasis of the content of the thesis lies in originality. Thesis is a graduation requirement for students to get a bachelor's degree after going through an exam in front of an examining lecturer. Work papers. Work paper, or if translated into Indonesian, is a working paper. It's a type scientific writing that is almost similar to a paper, but the analysis is more in-depth. Usually, the work paper contains the auditor's notes, contains the audit procedures used, the test methods performed, the information obtained, and the conclusion made based on the audit. Paper. Paper is a type of scientific paper writing based on the data and arguments with a strong level of validity. Paper is also commonly referred to as a summary of the research that has been made. There is not much difference between a paper and a paper. Only the systematic of writing and the discussion are different. The discussion is shorter because it only focuses on analyzing the problem. Thesis. The thesis is more or less similar to the thesis for undergraduate students, but the thesis analyzes the topic more complexly, so that the scientific essence is stronger and more complex than the thesis. Thesis is made as a graduation requirement to get a master or master's degree taken by postgraduate students. Dissertation. The content of the dissertation is the result of original research that can later be applied to real life. Usually, the dissertation is tested by a professor or senior doctor and professional. Okay, that's all I can say. More and like back forgiveness. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.